Hi, welcome to My Messy Fingers. I'm Charlie. I have quite a bit of paper left over from an album I made using Ciao Esprit de Voyage collection. So I'm going to make an 8x8 folio with what's left. And to keep the videos short for you, I'm going to take them one step at a time. Let's get our pieces cut. You will want to have chipboard pieces that measure 6 by 8. You're going to want 2 of those. You're going to want one panel that is 2 by 8. Then you're going to want 3 pieces that are going to be 1 by 8. And then on the binding, I use TYVEK, and it's a shipping envelope, so you can get it at any stationery store. It's just a white, resilient envelope. I don't know how else to describe it. It's got minimal tear. I use it because it allows the cardstock to float over this rather than the cardstock floating over the rough edges. So you're going to want several pieces. You're going to want to have one that is going to measure 2 inches in the width by 8 inches in the length. And you are going to score it at 7/8 and then 1 1/4 inches because we want a 3/8 of an inch gusset on this one. Then you're going to cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that are going to measure, pay attention to what I did. I had a cutting mistake, but you're going to want to have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that says 4. I miscounted. You're going to want to have 5 that measure 2 inches across, and then you're going to score them at 7/8 and 1 1/8. We want I don't know if you can see this very well, you're going to want a 1/4 inch gusset in between these. Then you're going to have 2 pieces of cardstock. Your right side panel is going to measure in at 9 3/8 of an inch. So this is going to be 9 3/8 by 10. This one, excuse me, that's your left side panel. I'm getting them all confused here. Left side panel, right side panel. This one is going to measure at 11 3/8. 11 3/8 by 10 inches. And this is a 3/8 of an inch tape. So if you'll get all of those together, get them cut, and then we'll come back to the second video where we will actually do the installation. I'll see you then.